Assistant Public Prosecutor Tushar Chandra ubala thung da sarkar ban pet habaya day bat ka mukotduma jong ka Sonam ulai thu ba sarkar kala thung do Special Public Prosecutor ban iasaid persya e ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kabla kenno don kti ban penyap yo Raja Raghuvanshi ukurim jangka hakapor bawan kaya seorang. Tushar Chandra ulapan pau bala thung yo Keshi Gautam ban iasaid ha iingbishar ka mukotduma jong ka Sonam habakali balai lapan kalayo Tushar Chandra ulakan taj ban iathuh bulaong ban kali na Special Public Prosecutor ubatamai.
Today, new special PP is appointed in Sonam case, Mr. Keshi Gautam. So he will look after onwards.
We have seen the charge sheet is very soft. So what really happened that the charge sheet is so soft?
Sorry, I cannot comment. I cannot give any comment. Since special PP is appointed, you can talk with the special PP.
So who is the special PP?
Mr. Keshi Gautam.
So he will be now looking after the case.
Yes.
So why there is a change?
That I don't know. Sorry, no comment.
So what happened transpired today in the court?
I don't know because since special PP is appointed in this case, so anything you can ask from the special PP.
So today
in this
who
regard.
had the matter on behalf of prosecution?
That special PP only, who is appointed by the government, he will look after the case now onwards.
The special prosecutor.
Yes,
And
special prosecutor in this Shora case only.
So will there be a special court for this or the normal
That
court?
I don't know. That I cannot give any comment right now. You can contact with the special PP who is appointed by the government.